the end of his season. That'll be determined by what happens in the play-in tournament.
Yeah, and they're just a refresher for those who may not know, they're locked in. It's the only thing to be decided between them and the Bulls is who hosts the play-in tournament. The 9-10 game rather there. So yeah, the Hawks would need to win that, win another one, and then maybe he gets back by the end of the first round, but probably not. This is I don't want to be rude to Hawks fans, but this might as well say Jalen Johnson's season is over. So I'm glad you pulled this up. So what we know in the East, Bulls, Hawks in the play-in, Celtics are the 1 seed. That's it. Nothing else has been terrible. We know the Bucks and Knicks have top 6 seeds. So there we did get a little clarity in the West, though.
Gonna go ahead and do that. That way we don't have another awkward situation like this. Looks good. At this point, we've built a giant wall that can prevent any offense from entering the base. Oh yeah.